Welcome, YouTubers. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the WLToys K979 RC racing car. This apparently is the box. It is not very big because the vehicle itself is not very big. This is the vehicle that we will be looking at today. It is 2.4 gigahertz. Comes with a transmitter, battery, and charger. And now let's open it up and see what's inside. Shall we? By the way, I love the box as far as it's got the nice little handy dandy carrying handle. You could easily turn this into your travel kit for this RC car. Oh, look at that. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so let's pull this out and see what is inside, shall we? Alright. Chunk the box, because that's irrelevant. Alright, there's the car. So I'm sure that if I lift this up, underneath it, this is probably the charger, and I am correct. And it looks, yep, if you have an adapter, then you can use this. If you don't, I don't suggest it. I would use a hobby grade charger, unless you don't have one. If you don't have one, then definitely get an adapter so you can use this charger to charge your battery. Here's the instruction manual. Picture of the car. Oops. Let's go through this here real quick. Tells you the number of the car, all that good information, size, motor, battery that comes with it, which we're going to look at later. Tells you how to go forward, reverse, steer it left and right. Pretty self-explanatory. But this is my favorite part right here. Exploded view manual of the parts. Shows you how to take it apart and put it back together. This is for when or if you break something, you can fix it. Alright, look at that. There's a very nice detailed manual. And then bam, look at that. On the back, you have all your parts. Now, I may do an actual teardown video of this at a later date to verify that it actually does have ball bearings in it, because that's impressive for such a little car. But there's the manual with all the parts. Very nice. Alright, see what we got here. It's a regular run-of-the-mill 2.4 gigahertz radio from WLToys. It's their standard. It's got a nice grip. Foam on the steering wheel here. You have throttle trim, steering trim, And because it's 2.4 gigahertz, you only need 4 AA's. Very nice. Turn it on. It makes a sound. And an LED will light up. Alright, let's get to the main attraction. The car itself. Another box. Chunk. Alright. So here's the car. Notice there are 2 body posts with clips. It's got a spoiler on it. But notice the spoiler flops around because there's nothing here to support it, as far as no padding or foam bushing or any bushings at all to make it stable. Interesting. Alright, so let's pull these pins out. These are always really fun. I did notice there's scratches all over it. I'm pretty sure that's just the film on the body. In fact, let's verify that, shall we? Is that film? It is. It is a protective coating. Ah. Look how pretty that is. Okay. Enough of that. Let's see what we got here. First, let's look at the battery. The battery is a 2S LiPo 400 mAh. So it's a 7.4 2S LiPo battery. 7.4 volt 2S LiPo battery. That's nice. Here's the car. Tires have a Euro type tread on it, so I would say this is more like a rally car, not so much an off-road. I mean, how much off-roading are you really going to do with that kind of ground clearance? Just saying. So, but it is pretty high speed. I mean, it's a little car, but you have proportional steering. It even has a servo saver right there. Oh. So it even has a servo saver on it, which is pretty impressive. Of course, the little little shocks for this, they are friction shocks. They are not oil filled or anything like that. That's a little hard pressed to expect something like that from a car this small. So the top brace right here, that is metal, and the bottom plate is also metal. It's not magnetic though, but it doesn't feel light like aluminum. It feels like steel, so I'm gonna go with stainless. That's impressive. This right here is your ESC / receiver combo. That way you can control your vehicle. It is a shaft-driven 4-wheel drive car with a metal shaft. Impressive. And I think the spur gear right trying to get it right there. The spur gear right there, that's plastic. And so is the pinion gear. Yep, the pinion gear and spur gear are both plastic. Which again, excuse me, which again, I think you would be a little hard pressed to expect it to be metal. It is a little RC car, and I don't expect, I would not expect it to be metal. So, but this is a very nice little package. I would definitely say that. Now, this vehicle will bottom out if you jump it. This is the bottom of your car. See how the tire goes past that? Oh, well, wait a minute. Maybe my big thumb was just in the way and that's really close. That is really close. It looks like the front wheel bottomed out though. So, anyway, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, by all means post it in the comment area. There will be a run video, and I will link at the bottom of the post where you can get this vehicle from. So let's go ahead and put this battery in. See a little plug right there on your ESC / receiver. Tuck that wire up in there like so. Always turn on your controller first in case your car wants to take off on you. That way, once you turn the vehicle on, if it does happen to want to take off, it won't, because the controller will stop it. Alright. Notice how both LEDs are blinking. It's not linked up. Once you hit the steering or something like that throttle, it'll link up, and now everything is proportional steering. And proportional throttle. Very nice. This back tire here feels a little loose. Looks a little loose. The front ones are nice and tight though. And that is only half throttle. Very nice. Alright, so I will be doing a run video at a later time. And that is the WLToys 979. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you at a later date. Have a great day.